Hey, good morning. How are you doing? Thanks for streaming with us. Hopefully you're having a great day. I know the weather has been great, that's for sure. Kind of almost California-like with the dryness out there. So anyway, let's talk about the weather. The next several days are going to be very, very similar. Lows and low 60s, high temperatures in the low 90s, a little bit above average, which is definitely a little bit above average because average highs should be in the mid 60s. And we've got a little bit of something for everybody. And what I mean by that is the mornings are really nice and cool, but the afternoons are very warm. Matter of fact, I don't want to give the 7-day away, but by the time we get to the weekend, heat index values will be in the mid to upper 90s. I think about 97 or so. Sunday is going to be really, really warm, very warm, hot, we'll just say. All right, let's take a look at the maps. All right, I'm going to be a little dramatic here. The happiest place on earth became the saddest place on earth, being dramatic. They had a little hail over in Disneyland. Yep, last night. You can see they had a big storm system here. I'm not sure if I can get back to where I need to be. Yeah, see those orange dots right there? That orange, that is hail, about the size of peas and marbles, but it went right over Disneyland of all places, which I thought was really interesting. They don't get a chance to see hail very often out there in Southern California, but they did last night. All right, let's take a look outside. Beautiful day again with clear skies, lots of sunshine, looking fantastic across South Central Texas. And next several days, I mean, are going to be carbon copies. We're going to have like a cookie cutter each and every day. Lows, low 60s, and highs close to 90. So really, really nice. Temperature this morning, we got down to, what was the official low? 61. 61 was the official low. Normal is 64, so a little bit below average. Temperature outside now, we're rebounding to 77. Can't beat that. Record low 44, set back in 1975. You know, it can get cold this time of the year, especially if we have one of those really strong cold fronts that comes in. And in the wake of it, if winds get really light, then it can really drop down. And record lows, now that we're in October, are pretty much in the 40s every day. All right, let's take a look at some of these lows this morning. 54 in Bernie, Kerrville down to 54, Hondo 57, Gonzales about 58. Matter of fact, even Victoria, you know it's dry when Victoria gets down to the upper 50s, around 58 degrees there. Here's our current temperatures, 70s just about every place right now. Just a really nice day with lots of sunshine. Relative humidity the next couple of afternoons is going to be really low, mid-20s I think, 24. Don't forget the chapstick, going to be really dry out there tomorrow. Relative humidity around 20%. Next several days to round out the week, relative humidity values will be in the 20s. And so what that means is, you know, dry air both warms and cools very efficiently. So we'll start off pretty chilly in the morning, especially if you got to spend a lot of time outdoors. But as soon as that sun comes up, with it being as dry as it is, it just warms all the way up to around 90, 91 for a high. And I think that's going to be the case. Nothing across Texas. I mean, hardly a cloud in the sky across the entire state. Over towards Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, they've got some rain showers there. Here's the upper level situation. We've got an upper level low over Mississippi. You can kind of see it there. See right there, Mississippi. To the east of that upper level low, lots of rain from Alabama into Georgia and South Carolina. Now, we're on the dry side of that upper level low with kind of a northerly flow aloft. But this is the interesting thing. That upper level low is actually moving a cold pocket of air from the northern states all the way down into Texas at about, 8 to 15,000 feet in that range. And it's really pretty chilly. So once our surface temperatures reach about 90 this afternoon, I think we'll have little cumulus clouds will develop. Other than that, really not a whole lot to say other than just kind of mostly sunny the next couple of days. Weather pattern not conducive for rainfall at all. Matter of fact, as we head into Saturday and into Sunday, kind of an upper level ridge will build in, and that will just make sure no rainfall and hot temperatures, and humidity comes back. So that's why I think Sunday is going to, really the whole weekend is going to be kind of summer-like, especially on Sunday. Next chance for rain will be Monday and into early next week, but right now those rain chances just don't look very good for the early part of next week. Maybe by the end of next week we'll have a better chance of seeing some showers and some thunder showers. So rain chances a little bit better next week, but just really not all that great, that's for sure. All right, so here's your forecast for today. I think we're going to get up right around 90. Computer model says about 89, but I think we'll hit 90. And you see those little clouds that develop once we get to about 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. just like I said, a little small cumulus clouds, just kind of decoration. Tomorrow afternoon, about the same thing. High temperatures around 90, 91 for high, and Thursday, basically the same thing, just not changing very much at all. Hey, before we get to the 7-day, I want to say hi to some folks. Hey, Pete, how are you doing? Mike, how are you? And Terry. All right, Terry and Don. Hopefully y'all are having a great day over there. All right, so let's take a look at the 7-day. Let me get to the 7-day. Here we go. This is what I see next couple of days. Lows lower 60s, highs lower 90s, not a whole lot changing. And believe me, you know, I did the math and looked and everything, and this is basically every day. There's just no reason to really change it a whole lot. Now, winds start coming around to the south in the afternoon, Thursday and Friday, but I just don't see a big slug of moisture coming in or humidity really going up until perhaps the weekend. Highs lower 90s, heat index values will be in the mid 90s, but Sunday, I think high 93 with a heat index of about 97. Going to feel real summer-like this weekend, and it's going to be the 9th and the 10th of October. Pretty much over with hot temperatures, but of course here in South Texas can still get hot. And then a 20% chance of some showers on Monday. Let's take a look beyond the 7-day. I think early next week, a little more humid than what we've got this week. Very warm temperatures continuing. I think the morning temperatures will definitely be warmer, closer to 70, maybe even lower to mid 70s. Partly cloudy, very warm, maybe an isolated shower. And that's beyond the 7-day. All right. Make sure to watch us today at noon, 4, 5, 6, and 10. And I will be around, of course, first thing tomorrow morning. We will see you bright and early. All right. Thanks for streaming with us. Have a great day. We'll see you later.